Hi, we are in Melbourne. Anong river ito?
Nara River.
Nara River.
Or Yara. I don't know.
What?
I think Yara River or Nara River. I don't know. I cannot choose. Melbourne lang. Ayun, Melbourne Cruise River naman. Pero yung river, ayun, Melbourne River Cruise lang naman siya. Birthday ni Regis ngayon eh.
Kaya nga.
Kain siya. Lunch. Then uwi na tayo. Mamayang gabi pa yung adobo mo yung ano.
Baboy?
Baboy na.
Hindi. Sigang.
Wala tayong ano.
Sigang.
Kulay mo.
Dito tayo. Ilagyan ko na lang ng music. Bye-bye, Kali. Nay? Corona.
This is the bridge up there.
Hi! That is Manong Jerry. That is Manong Nelia. Yes.
Land of the freedom.
Yes. Land of the kangaroo. Anong river ito, Brian? Anong river?
River, Brian, anong river daw?
Nara. We are in Nara River. Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Di ba?
Victoria University.
Yes. Victoria University.
How much last time was the iba ko $50?
That's my wife. How are you? You tired?
No.
Not yet. Okay. Walking pa more. Walking pa more.
This is the life I want.
Yes. That's why I will not work anymore.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Đi về tháng sau. Đi về thì tháng sau.
Ano, pagod na kayo maglakad? Kaya pa. Kaya pa ng mga senior.
Energy, come on.
Kaya pa ng mga senior.
Kami, 10,000 steps.
Oh, tamo. Kaya pa. Travel pa more. Gastos pa more. Mas budget.
Ano? Travel pa mo.
Travel pa more, gastos pa more.
Walking lang.
Walking pa more.
Walking. Sponsor pa mo.
Yes.
Sponsor pa mo.
Baka naman, mga anak, yun lang. Baka naman.
Beke lang.
Oo, beke lang.
Beke lang.
Yan, may swimming pool sila doon, no?